Take a look at this banana. I feel like I should acknowledge that, like, she's not pretty, but she's ripe. Hey friends, it's Brandy and welcome back to Simply. I'm so excited to show you how to make an easy, good for you mug cake dessert, plus a cool hack for ripening a banana in an hour. If you have 1 to 2 days to get your bananas ripe, a really easy hack is simply by storing them the right way. Bananas emit a gaseous hormone called ethylene, and by putting it into a brown paper bag, you're basically containing that gas so it'll quicken the ripening process. Kind of fold it over and let it hang out for 1 to 2 days. Now, if you only have one night, you can ripen your banana quickly by just adding another fruit. It could be something like an avocado or an apple. Just add it to your bag with bananas, close your brown bag, fold it over, and that will quicken the process because that other piece of fruit is going to help speed it up. Now, if you're like me and you don't have 1 to 2 nights because you really want banana bread or you want a banana mug cake like ASAP, here's a really cool hack. Take a baking sheet, add your banana, put it in the oven at 300 degrees, set your timer for 45 minutes to an hour, and you will have a ripe banana. Look at that. Now this only took 45 minutes. Once I took it out of the oven, I let it cool in the fridge just slightly, and you can even see some of those sugars trying to escape the peel. Now we can make our recipe. You know, sometimes you get in the mood for just a slice of banana bread or some banana cookies, but you don't want to do the whole thing, and that's why I love mug cake recipes, because you can get that nice little craving fix without a lot of effort. And this recipe actually happens to be good for you. Everything is gonna go into our mug. So I'm gonna start with half of that ripened banana. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of nut butter, and this is where you can have a lot of fun with flavoring. Next, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of either almond flour or coconut flour. Now, depending on how liquidy your nut butter is or your banana is, really depends on how much liquid you're going to add to it. So the batter should be super thick, but I'm gonna start by adding a tablespoon of milk. I'm really such a fan of these easy mug cakes because they're great little after-school snacks. Get a little protein in there, some fruit, and also it's better for you than some of those other treats. Okay, the batter is nice and thick. Now, people have strong feelings about if you add chocolate chips to banana bread, are they supposed to go together? And I'm kind of the type of person that if I'm in the mood for chocolate chips, I'm putting chocolate chips in my banana bread. If I'm not in the mood, it's not gonna happen. But today, we're doing chocolate chips. Now I'm just gonna pop this in the microwave for 1 minute to bake. Take a look at it after a minute. It might need 10 to 20 more seconds. Oh yes, yay, yay, yay. Oh, it's incredible how the entire house smells like banana bread, but it's just from this tiny little mug cake. It has like a nice fluffy consistency, but there's a lot of gooiness too from that nut butter and chocolate. It's still warm, it's still warm. Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. And it's sweet, but it's not overpoweringly sweet. I mean, the chocolate adds that sweetness, but it's just a really nice flavor. Oh man, you know what I wanna do? Is just brew a little cup of coffee, go get in my favorite spot with a little blanket and just enjoy. Oh, this is so wonderful. And I didn't have to take out baking soda or baking powder and all these other things. 4 ingredients, and you can ripen the banana in the oven. Guys, I hope this recipe gives you so much inspiration. You learned something new. I can't wait to see your photos of your mug cake, and I wanna know all the ways that you customize it. So let me know in the comment box below. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you never miss a video. I'm Brandy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.